juicy zucchini pizza bites. Welcome or welcome back to our simple home. I use my zucchini from the garden for this recipe, but you can also buy zucchini. I turn on the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. My zucchini is a little bit bigger than the normal sized zucchini, but it doesn't matter. You can use any size zucchini. I slice my zucchini in finger-thick slices. I place all my zucchini slices onto a prepared baking sheet. I spread some pizza sauce on each zucchini slice. I use store-bought, but you also can use homemade pizza sauce. Then I spread tuna on the pizza sauce. You don't have to use tuna. You can use any meat you like or fish, or you don't even have to use that. You can use just vegetables. I cut half of the onion into cubes and distribute on the tuna. I scatter frozen corn to half of the zucchini pizza bites. I love corn, but my husband doesn't, so he gets something different. For the other half, I use peppers cut into little cubes. I spread shredded cheese on top of each pizza bite. I place my pizza bites into the preheated oven and bake them for about 20 minutes. Thank you for watching, it means a lot to me. And if you enjoy my content, please like, subscribe, and share with others.